Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about Windows 10, and everything I'm about to say is in the blog post here. It's also on our website. And for those of you that are customers, we've actually sent you some targeted email with all of this information as well. So in October of 2025, about 7 months from now, Windows 10 will be officially end of life. And it just feels like yesterday when we were having this conversation about the end of life for Windows 7. Just amazing. So originally, this was released in 2015, so 10 years ago. It was reported to be running on 1.3 billion devices in 2021. So it's everywhere. But this October, Windows 10 will be end of life, which means Microsoft will stop putting out any security updates. There'll be no support on it. There'll be no patches for the operating system. This makes computers running it a target for bad actors, of course. So they're going to look at ways to take advantage that there are no updates, there's no security for people who are running it. Without support also, it will make it more challenging to keep those computers up and running. And since it's end of life, when new software comes out, new hardware comes out, it may not be compatible with Windows 10 machines. So it's important to do one of two things. If you're running Windows 10 on any of your computers, you can upgrade or replace. And before you just say, okay, great, we'll upgrade, you'll want to check how old the computer is and its specs, memory, speed, things like that. And we're happy to help you do that. Not every computer is a candidate for an upgrade, and if you choose to do it anyway, whoever's using that computer might be very unhappy with the performance when they're trying to get their work done. So it may be that you need to replace them. Last thought on this. Back when Windows 7 was being end of life and we were replacing everything, a lot of people had to buy replacement computers, and there was a supply chain issue. And of course, then if you could get them at all, they were very expensive. We anticipate that as the year goes on and we get closer and closer to that deadline, we're going to see more and more of this. And we actually already are. So if you do need to replace, or you might need to replace, this is a good time to get that nailed down, get some quotes, get some things ordered, and stay ahead of those issues. If you aren't ready to do it, just know that supplies will become harder and harder to get, and prices will go up. So that's what we have to update you today. And again, if you need these details, they're in the blog, or if you're a client, you have an email with this information. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.